Last class we discussed how to convert the decimal to octal. So for that you need the 8th table, isn't it? So I given the homework was homework was given 8th table and the 16th table. So this is the reason today we are going with the decimal to hexadecimal. So hexadecimal means, as you know, 16. Okay, so we need the numbers, multiples of 16s. We need to know it. Okay, take the homeworks also with you. That is homework note also with you in order to read the answer. Okay, for that purpose I given that homework. Okay, now I hope you understand what is the meaning why given the homework as octal and hexadecimal. Okay, shall we proceed with the conversion, number conversion? Shall we start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we will today we are going to discuss about last conversion. 1 minute I will show the PPT for your understanding. Binary 3 conversion we completed. Decimal 4th one you can see. Decimal to binary we completed. Decimal to octal. The last class, at the end of the class we discussed that, and now we are going to discuss about decimal to hexadecimal, isn't it? Am I right? We are going to see the 6th one now. Till 5-1 we completed 5 topics. Yes or no? Yes, we completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Review your
Yes,
class.
sir.
You can come to know that what you wrote. And that's what I'm always saying. Each conversion you want to record in your note. You want to write in your note. If you didn't write means once we completed the 12 conversion, no, once again you suppose I'm asking one given one number and I will ask to convert means you cannot do it because you will get the confusion and you will forget also too. For that purpose only, I'm just asking to record in a note. I mean, write in a note. That is very important. Okay. Let me go ahead with it. Okay, I will take the one note. You can see. Just a minute. Okay, let me start our class. Okay, tell me a decimal number. Can you say any one decimal number? Decimal to hexadecimal we are going to do. Can you say any one number?
724.
18.
724. Right? Yeah, next I will take the number. 724. We got the number. Okay. So this is the hexadecimal number. So what is the base for hexadecimal? Sorry, this is the decimal number. I'm sorry. What is the base for decimal? What is the base for decimal number?
10.
10. Very good. Okay, we need to convert into hexadecimal. That we need to learn it. Okay. So what is the equivalent number in hexadecimal? What is the base for hexadecimal? 16. Very good. So first step what we need to do means very simple as usual what we are doing it. Okay. Same thing. How many digits are there?
3.
Okay. But here we need to do the division. Okay. I
3.
will draw that. Okay. Okay. Not you can see 7. 2 is not that much. You can see that 7 to 4. Okay. Don't confuse with the number. Okay. 7 to 4. We need to divide the number with 16 because we need to convert it to hexadecimal. No. So now we need to divide the number into 16. So for that purpose only we need the table. Okay. Let you say that how many 16s are there in 724? Just tell it because you are having tables in with you now. Refer the table. That's what I asked you to write in. What is the 30 into 16? 30 16s are what?
480.
480. So let me go for another one. Okay, then 16 into 60 into 16, 60 into 16. I think it is 960. It is too much. Okay, so let me try with the another number. So 25 into 60. What is the thing? Till 30 you wrote, no? So 35 into 60. What is the number? One of the person can do the calculation.
16 into 45, 720.
Okay, ma'am. That is 38 into 16. 38 into 16. What is the number we got?
608.
Okay, then we will go better because our number is 724. No, so we need to get the nearest number. So 40 into 60. I am just done the multiplication. I got 640. Okay, then anyone can do 45 into 60. 45 into 16. What is the value? Anybody getting?
720.
7.
Are you sure? Shall I write it? Because I didn't check it. That's what I'm asking.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that's what always keep the pen and paper. There is a notebook with you. classwork note, nothing wrong. You can do the multiplication there itself. Okay. What is the answer? What is the number I said?
16 into 45, 720.
Yeah. So I need to write 45, isn't it? So 45 into 16, 720, 725. What is the answer, ma?
720.
So 720. What is the remainder we get here?
4.
So 4 we need to write as a remainder. Okay. How many 16s are there in 45? Refer the table.
2.
2 16s
2,
are 32. isn't it?
32.
Yeah. 2 into 16 equal 32. What is the remainder?
30.
13.
13 as a remainder. So you have to write the 13. Okay. So the 2 is less than 16. No, condition is 2 is less than 16, isn't it? Hello.
Yes,
2
sir.
is less than 16. So we need to stop the division. So what is the value we got? We need to calculate from this bottom to top approach. So from here to here we need to take the number. So 2 we have to write. What is the value, equivalent value for 13 in hexadecimal?
E.
Are you sure? E is the, yes. E is, no, just check it. Is it? No. Tell that number.
D, sir. D.
You can see this previous slide.
C.
What is the value we got?
D.
13. 13 means D, isn't it? So D we need to write it. Correct? Hello. So 2D and what is the number? 4. So 2D4 is the value we equivalent hexadecimal value for the decimal 224. Have you got this answer? Have you understand this one? 2D4. So 2 is there, normal 2. 13, what is the equivalent? How to represent the 13 in hexadecimal means what? D is the value for 13 and 4 is for normal 4. Okay, 0 to 9 is a normal number only, no, in hexadecimal. So 2D4 is the answer. You can write this answer. Write in your classwork. So this is how we need to convert the decimal to hexadecimal. Once you write means, let me go with the fractional value also. Say writing, write it.
Hello.
Yes. Who said hello? Have you completed this one? Once you completed means say completed, then we will
Sir.
go next one.
No, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay, write it quickly. Once all people. 224 children, you just note down. Sorry, 724. 724. The 2 is looking a little bit awkward. That's what I'm saying. Look like 4 or some number. That's what. This much time is required to write. Shall we complete it?
Yes, sir.
Right fast. Everyone completed now. Shall we go to the next one? Shall we go to the
Yes, sir.
next one?
Sir.
So now we have seen the how to do the normal, that is a integer part. If it is decimal number is there means how to do, let me see it. Okay, this time adding one page. Same thing, we will have the number. Let you tell any number, decimal number.
0.1.
0.1. Okay, tell some valid number. 0.1 also valid number only, but tell some good number in order to multiply it. That's what I'm asking.
3.
Hello? Tell the number, decimal.
14.76.
Okay, for example, I will write it. 1 minute. 14, that is 14 point, what is it? 767. 76. Okay, this is in decimal, we need to convert into hexadecimal. Okay. So what is the equivalent hexadecimal number? We need to find it. Okay. So as you do it in this things, you are getting the 14. Okay. So 14 divided by 16, if you are doing means 14 is less than 16, isn't it? Correct, no? 14 is less than 16. So we cannot do the division, isn't it? For that purpose, what is the equivalent value for 14? In hexadecimal, how to represent it? E. So E, we have to directly, we can write it. 76 is there. So we need to do the division for 76. So let me do it. This is one part is over. 76 are there. So we need to divide with the 16. How many 16s are there in 76?
16 4 are 64.
4.
4 only is there. So what's your answer is 16.
64.
So 4 we need to write, isn't it? So 4 16s are 64. What is the remainder?
12.
64
12.
minus 76, no? Okay. So yeah, as you said, it's 12. 12 is the remainder value. Okay. So how to take this value means, as you know, we have to do in the reverse order because it is in the reverse. No, what is the equivalent number for 12? Hello. 1 minute.
C.
Yes, Adityan, you are coming in chat. What?
C,
Sir,
sir.
Yeah, you are about to ask something.
sir, I am a new. Today only I joined, sir.
Today only. Are you a new student? Adityan?
No, sir, I am old student, sir. Yesterday only I
No,
put
no.
a.
You are not Aditya Pandian.
No, sir, Adityan.
Okay, okay. That's I thought of Aditya Pandian. One boy is there. I thought of he is there. He is today come. Today he came. No, no. Now this is your. Is it your first class, Adityan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. That's okay. Not an issue. So I will. You can just send me your just message in WhatsApp later after once the complete class is completed. 4 o'clock the class will complete. So after 4, you just send one a message, your name with your WhatsApp. Okay. So from that I can identify you. Then I will send the website address. Okay. I will send the website. Okay. Through the going through the website previous class videos. It is our second chapter. Okay. So we already completed one chapter and test also far. So for that I am saying.
Sir, I attended the test, sir.
You attended the test?
Yes, sir. But
Oh,
but that was in dental, sir.
yes.
So only that I
Okay, okay. Nice, nice. Yes, that is a basic chapter
full
only.
CPU full form.
Huh?
What
Yeah,
are hard words?
yeah, yeah. Basic things only. So first chapter
That
is
only I
introduction.
attended.
Very good, very good. So basic chapter, you just go through the video as well as if you are having the books means you just that is enough. Just go through the book. Are you having the book?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Buy the book quickly and just go through the books. Meanwhile, access the website resources. Okay, then you will get the things. Okay. Second chapter also the classes, previous class video also it is available in our website. By clicking the online class videos, if you just means you can see the chapter 2, video 1, video 2 like this. It is there. So go through this. It is also a number conversion. Okay. So I think it is easy. You will get it. Okay, let me do the continuation of the class. Let you see what is the value we are getting. So we need to do in the reverse order. No, what is the thing?
4C.
E dot 4. I mean 12. What is the number for not? We should do in the proper way. No, it is a decimal point. No, so always the we have to writing in the way of what? Top to bottom. So from top to bottom in this way only we need to write, isn't it? Tell that 12 means what? What's the equivalent
C.
number in 12?
C.
Hmm?
C.
C. Okay, good. So E dot C and 4 is as well as 4. Okay, this is the value. You will get it. Have you understand this one? Have you understood? So this is the value. We can easily get the value in the form of that is a decimal to hexadecimal. Okay. Have you understand this? You can write down it very quickly. Write down this sum also. Once you complete it means say yes, then we will go for the next one.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. Rest of the students also?
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. So now I will show the slide for you. You can see now we completed the decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. So 6 conversion we completed. Now we are entering into the new topic, that is octal to binary. Okay. So that is a third topic in our conversion, octal conversions, octal to binary, then octal to decimal, then octal to hexadecimal. Okay. So let me start our doing it. First one is octal to binary. Shall we see it? 1 minute. Write the topic also in your note. Octal to binary. Okay. So that's what we are going to see about it. Okay. Conversion. Write that. Once you complete it means you do. Tell you anyone octal number. Octal number. Hello. Yeah. Hello.
7.4.
2,
Hmm.
2, 3,
2, 3.
7.
Okay.
7.
First we will do with the 2, 3, 7. Okay. Let me take. First we will do with the integer part. Then we will do with the fractional part. Easy to difficult way, like this we will do. It is both the things are very easy. Okay. This is our octal number. What's the base for octal?
8.
8 is the
8.
So we need to convert into binary. What is the base for binary?
2.
2.
We are writing the 2. Okay. So if the number is given like that means we need to take the each digits. Okay. First, what is the digit? 2 is one digit, and 3 is another digit, and 7 is another digit. Okay. If it is like that means first we need to do the number. For example, first we need to convert the 7 into the binary. So how to convert the 7 into binary? You know, divided with the 2. Okay. How many 2s are there in 7? Hello. How many 2s are? 3 2s are 6. What is the remainder? Remainder 1. Okay. Then how many 2s are there in 3? 1 2 is 2. Remainder 1. So what is the answer we got in this bottom to top approach? Okay. So bottom to 1 1 and this 1. So what is the equivalent value we got for 7? What is the binary value for 7? 1 1 1. Okay. That is the concept. For 3, what are the 3 values? If we convert into binary means how many 2s? 1 2 is 1 1 2 is 2. Remainder 1. That's all. What is the value we got?
1, 1, 1.
1 1
1, 1.
2 1 only, isn't it? So for that we need to add 1 0 previous. That we need to convert into 3 groups, grouping by 3, because octal means we already discussed. Do you recall it? Octal means grouping by 3. Hexadecimal means what? Grouping by 4, isn't it?
4.
So here 2 numbers only we got, no, that is 1 another 1. Okay, so we need to add the 0 previous to it. Okay, so we got the 3 group of numbers. 2, what is the value? If you 2 divided by 2 means what is the value? If you do 2 divided by 2 means 1 2 is
1.
2, remainder 0. So what is the value we got? 1 0 we
1
got.
0 0.
No, you totally misunderstand. See, you can see this 1 then 0. We need to come from bottom to top. No, 1 0 we return. Previously only we should add 0. No, have you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so previously we need to add 0, because why we are adding 0 means in order to grouping with the 3. So now we need to write it totally. So we can omit the 0. You can see this. First one is 1 0 0. You can write it 1. Write till the number 111. Again 1 1 1. This is the value. Have you got it? No. Have you understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we got the answer 100 because 0 is there. We can omit the 0. In front of first 0 is no meaning it. Okay, this is the equivalent binary value for the octal number. Octal to binary conversion. This is the way. Have you understand this way? Okay, take down this note. Write the note. Once you complete it means you can say yes. Write all the concepts. You can see in the side I done the division. No, that also you do it. Now it seems to be easy. You may think that why sir is doing 2 divided by 2 means you will get 1, then remainder is 0, 1 0 only. It is known 1. You may think like that. It is very easy only. But after a long time, if you are thinking means you may get the confusion. How we are getting this value likewise. Okay. So in order to avoid the confusion, for your sake, I am writing like that. Okay. You can draw the arrow mark also. How you want to take the value from the
Completed.
first order. And also you just draw the line also. That is also
Completed,
important.
sir.
Okay. Shall you go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now we are doing with the same thing, octal to binary with decimal. Okay. Did you say the number? Hello. Tell the number. Anyone decimal number? Sorry, octal number.
756.
7. Okay, I will write 75.6. I will use it for the fractional purpose. Okay. This is the octal number we got. So we need to convert into binary. So how to do the conversion? Let you say that. First we will do with the integer part. 7. Okay. Then 5. Then dot. Then 6 is there. Okay. So let you write the what is the 6 value? Multiply, do the conversion. 6, then divide with the 2. 3 2s are 6, remainder 0. Then again if you divide with the 2, how many 2s? 1 2 is 1, 1 2 is 2, remainder 1 we will get. So what is the value we got? So from bottom to top, 1 1 0. So there is no problem because it is the 3 group already. Okay, now we have to do the conversion for 5. Hello, are you hearing my voice? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then tell that. You people want to say that whether I am doing the multiplication, you want to do it. You have to tell the number. Okay. How many 2s are there in 5? 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Then that's all. 2 is not less than. So what is the value? Okay. Once again we need to divide with the 2. How many 2s? 1 2 is
1.
2. Remainder 0. What is the value we got in this bottom to top?
1 0 1.
Very good. 1 0 1. Okay. So now
1
7.
0.
7 if you divide means what is the value you will get? 3 2s are 6,
3
remainder 1, then
2 1
1 2 is 2, remainder 1. So what is the value? 111, isn't it? Hello, 111 is there. So everything is grouped by, normally or naturally it is grouped by 3 groups. So not an issue, we can take the value directly. So 1 1 1, again 1 0 1 dot, again 1 1 0. This is the value for what? 75.6. If it is in the octal number, if you want to convert into what is the thing? Convert into binary means this was the value we will get it. Okay, 75.6. Have you understand this one? Hello. Have you understand this one?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, write down quickly. Once you completed means say yes. Once you completed means let you say that.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Rakshana asked one beautiful question. Sir, for the decimal digit, we will take the remainder from top to bottom, but here you have taken from bottom to top. Very nice question, Rakshana. Really appreciate your question. That I am expecting whenever I'm drawing this line, I expected some of the students will ask the question. I will tell that. Okay, here we are not considering with the zero part. Here we are doing the individual conversion. Have you understand? So 6 is different one. We are doing for 6. What is the value, binary value for 6? That only we are finding it. Rakshana, have you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Very good, I really appreciate your question. Good. Actually, we are doing like that only, in decimal part means we are writing in which form? Top to bottom form only, But here, she is asking why you are writing in reverse order, sir. Of course. Very nice doubt. Good.
She's very intelligent.
Once you completed means, let you say that, then you will continue it.
Completed, sir.
Peter,
Okay.
sir.
Good. Okay, now what we completed, octal to binary we completed. Now octal to decimal we have to do.
Decimal.
Yes. So let me go to the next page. Write the topic octal to decimal number.
Decimal.
Octal to decimal. Again, you just take the eighth table which you written as a homework. No, keep it with you. Okay. Let me start to do it. Okay. For example, tell anyone octal number.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, 4, 5, 6. Is we are doing the same thing? Oh, 4, 5, 6 you said, no? Okay. 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is the octal number. The base is 8. We need to convert into decimal. What is the decimal for basis? Base for decimal is what? No,
10.
10. So we are writing 10. Okay. So now how to do this one? You have to multiply. We have to multiply this number. For example, let me say how many digits are there? How many digit numbers are
3
there?
digits.
Ones, tens, hundreds. So yeah, of course, 3 digits are there. Now we need to multiply the. First of all, we are doing though. For example, binary to with binary to decimal in the same way, but we need to multiply with 8. That is the change. You can see what is the first number? 4. So 4 into 8 power. What is the n value? How many digits? 3. So n minus 1 formula. So 3 minus 1, 2. So 8 power 2. Then next is what? Plus, tell that. 5 into, no? 5 into 8 power.
8. 8 power 2. 1.
8 power 1 plus 6
Plus
into
4 into 8 power 0.
hello.
6
Listen.
6
6
into
into
8 power
power
0.
0. So what is
0.
the value we get? 8 square, what is it? 8 into 8. 8 power 2. Just to do this, anyone can do it.
64.
Yeah, 64. 64 into 4.
16.
256.
8 into 8, 64. What's it? What is the number you said, ma'am?
256.
256. Okay. So 256 we got. Then 8 power 1. 8. 8 into
40.
5. 5 is 40. Okay. Then again here. 8 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1.
1.
Okay. 1 into 6.
6.
6. Okay. So just added. What is the value we got? 896.
302.
896. Yeah. 302. That is the value. Okay. We got it. Good. This is the equivalent decimal number. Okay. Write down it very quickly. octal to decimal. We completed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
Completed, sir.
Okay. I hope. Shall we go to the next one? I mean, next sum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now tell any one octal number fraction. With the fraction, we will do it. Can you say that? Let alone why you are people are be quite telling at least a number.
55.35.
Okay, 55.35. Okay, so this is the our octal number. We need to convert into what? Decimal. Okay, so what is the equivalent decimal number? We need to get it. Okay, same way we have to do 5 into 8 power. How many numbers are there? The digits. The integer part we need to calculate. How many digits? 2. So n value is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So 8 power 1 plus again 5. 5 into 8 power, tell that.
0.
0. Then plus here 3 into 8 power minus 1. We don't know 2 power minus 1. Whenever we are doing the from that is from opposite. When reverse side, whenever you are doing in the last for starting time. Okay. 3 into 8 power minus 1, then plus 5 into this minus
8 power 0.
8 power, no, how about this? 8 power
Minus
minus
0.
2. Minus
0.
2. Minus 2, not 0. Why you are saying 0? Minus 1, minus 2. This goes in minus side, no reverse side. Okay. So let you calculate 8 into 1, 8. 8 paisa. Hello? 8 paisa or what?
40.
40. Very easy calculation.
40.
Yeah. Then anything in power is 1, 1 into 5. 5 we get.
5.
Okay. Here actually 1 minute. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I will use the eraser. Here one wrong thing is there. It's not. We have to draw the dot actually. Okay. Then we need to add it. Okay. Finally, whenever we get the value. Okay. 5. Okay. Let you tell that what is the value we will get here. So here 3 into what is the thing? 8 power minus 1. Let if you want to convert into 1 means what is the value we got? 8 power 1 is what generally? 8 only. So we will write in reciprocal 1 by 8, isn't it? 8 power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8, no? Correct, no? So you write here
Yes, sir.
then
5
5.
into
So here 8 power
2 by 8.
power 2 is what? 8 to the 8 into 8. 8 8s are what? 64. So
64.
1 by 64 we get. Okay. So let you multiply means what is the value we will get here? I am just writing 45. 40 plus 5. I am writing 45. Okay. Here just 1 by 8 is value is what? Just put the 0 before that and do the division.
1.25.
Uh,
0.2.
no,
125.
but I am also doing the division. Just a minute. 0.1 is coming 1, 2, 125, isn't it? So 0. Yeah. So 0.125 you will get it. 0.125. Okay. So plus. So now we need to divide with the 64. Okay. 1 divided by 64. Just to add some 0 and then do the division. What you will get? Take the note and do the division. That is 1 means you just put the point, add 0. Now we get 10. No. So even 10 is not possible. We need to add one more 0, isn't it? So we have to add 0, 0.0. Then it will be 100. Okay. So 100, 164 are there, isn't it? 164 is there. So 164 is 64. What is the remaining you'll get? What is the thing? 34. Sorry, 36. Is it? So again you put the 0. Then calculate it. Are you do the calculation? Do the calculation. Tell the answer. Division 1 divided by 64 means Hello. If you tell, then only I will do it. Rajesh, what is the answer?
0.015.
0.0 is there, 1 also is there. Yeah, I also done that. Okay, 0 point, because another 0 we need to add, then 1 is there. Okay, 5 is there. Okay, what is the value? 0.05, sorry, 0.015. Then next value is what? Tell the answer. Okay,
0.015625.
156. Okay, very good. So 156. Are you sure 156 is the answer? Okay. So let you take, because it is a 3 digit is enough. We need no need to go much deeper. Okay. If you add this value, means what will the value will get? So 45 here again. We are converting into the 0. Okay. I mean,
So you didn't consider 3 and 5.
what 3 and 5?
3 into 1 by 8.
Of course. Yes. Oh, thank God you remind me. I forgot it. No. Very good. We'll let you tell that, multiply it. Okay, you are writing in the note now 1.125, 0.156. Okay, I will erase it. Very good. Okay, tell that 3 into, what's the value we get?
0.375, sir.
75.
Sir, answer I tell, sir.
The value. Everyone want to know. No? So what is the value? 0.015.
0.125, sir.
Yes. 1, 2, 5. Okay, plus 5 into 0.0156, isn't it? So if you just do the multiplication, is what we will get? 0.375. Okay, so we will get this value plus again 5 into 0.0, just do the multiplication. 0.16. Okay, multiply with it, what your value you get? 8,
0.078.
0.078. Okay, so just add this value. If you add, first we will just add this two-step value 45. Let me keep it as a one part. Then 0.035 plus, what is the thing? It is 8 part. Okay, it is 8. Okay, so 0.035 plus add these two values. What is the value you get? Hello, you didn't do the calculation. Do it. I'm waiting for your answer.
Sir, 0.02925.
0.453. Just add this, two value alone I'm asking. 0.375 plus 0.078. You can see this 5 plus 8. We get one value, then remainder will be add. 7 plus 7, 14. Then 15, 5 is there. Remainder 1. 3 plus 1, 4. So 453 was the answer, no?
53.
Yeah. So what is the final answer? What is the final answer we got? 45 plus 0.
45.453. 453.
45.453. Okay, write this in your note. This is the equivalent decimal value for the octal value 55.35 means. Okay, write down immediately. Why you people are making delay? That's what I said. No, 8th table and 16th table they given us a homework. By seeing the homework, you can easily do the division or multiplication. So that's what I asked you to write up to 30 downward side. write it. Once you return means you just say yes. Let me go ahead with the next one. Oh, okay. Write fast. Step by step, if you do means you can easily get the value. Okay. So that is very important. Of course, I didn't consider in between 3 and 5. I forgot to multiply with the 3 and 5. One of the girls said, "Who's that? What's your name, ma?" No, nobody's opening. Harihara Sudan and Prashant, be actively participate, man. I'm expecting your result. I mean, your answer. And Ram Tilak was also there, and he also didn't say anything. Ram Tilak is not here. Rajesh, starting time he was telling something, but now he is not opening his mouth. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay. Okay, children, once you completed means say that, let me go for the next one. Octal to decimal.
Completed, sir.
Yeah, okay. Octal to decimal we completed, and octal to what is the thing? Octal to binary we completed, octal to decimal also we completed. Now final one is octal to hexadecimal. That is the last one. I mean the octal things. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Others also will complete it. Okay. I hope let me do the next calculation. Next is what? Can you say? Octal to decimal we completed. Sorry, octal to binary, octal to decimal. Then what is the next one is?
Octal to
Octal
hexadecimal.
to hexadecimal.
Okay, let you just start to write also in your note. Octal to hexadecimal. Write in your note the topic is. Okay. So octal to hexadecimal. Yeah, let me tell 1 minute. Yeah, let me tell any one number.
145.
Okay, 145. Let me take its a value. It's hanged. Okay, 145 is an octal. We need to convert into what? Hexadecimal. Okay, 16 that was. Okay, let you, how we want to do this conversion, octal to hexadecimal, there is no direct conversion. So far we done the direct conversion, but here octal to hexadecimal as well as the hexadecimal to octal conversion, the reverse conversion also, we need to first convert into binary. Okay, from the binary we have to do the conversion. So as you know already, octal to binary, just now only, today only we have discussed octal to binary, we need to do the conversion. Then next one is what? We need to convert into hexadecimal. So what are the value we got? 1, 4, and what is the thing? 5. So what is the equivalent binary value? Just to tell the binary value. Hello. Tell the binary value for 5. 5 is there. If you divide with the 2 means how many 2s? 2 twos are 4, remainder 1. Hello, are you
1.
hearing or not? Yeah, 1, 2 is
Yes, sir.
yeah, remainder 0. So what is the value?
1
101.
0.
Yeah,
101.
1. So this is the value. For next for 4. Anyone, if you are doing and telling means it will be fine. You are doing along with me. I am very little bit, what is the thing? Finding difficult to write with the mouse. You people are writing in pen, no, very easily you can do, no. So 2, 2 is 4, remainder 0. Again,
0.
I am done it, you didn't
1
say.
2s are 3.
Remainder
0.
100 is the answer. Is it? You people are too lazy filling an answer. 1 means what is the value? 1 only, isn't it? 1 we cannot further divide with the 2, no. So directly we can take the 1. But what is the thing? We need to do the conversion. What? Before we need to add 2 zeros in order to group by 3. So this is the entire value. Okay. Now this is a very important step. This you already know. Okay. Today only we thought we learned it how to do the octal to octal to binary, the same process. I will show the page also. Have you remember that? We done that today, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Opening your mouth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see now we get this value. Now we need to, this step is very important. Now we need to group all the value we need to write together. So let you write the all the values together. What are the values? 0, 0, 1, 1, again 2, 0. And what is the value?
1,
Uh,
1, 0,
1
Right,
0 1.
101. Okay, so now it is the important step is we need to convert into hexadecimal. No, hexadecimal means we need to convert into 4 parts. That is a grouping by 4. Okay, now we need to do the grouping. What is the first set? In the reverse order we need to take it. First set is what? I will change the ink color. You can for your understanding. Okay, yes, we can see. So first set is what?
1,
This is our first set.
0, 1.
Second set is what? This is our
1, 0, 1, 0.
Okay. Third set is only one
1,
bit is there. We
0,
need to
1,
add 3 more
3
zeros.
zeros.
Okay. So everything is 0. So that's what it is 0 only. So we can omit it. Okay. Now we need to find the equivalent decimal value for that. How to do that value? Let you say that. It is in binary. Now you tell that. 0. I will tell that 0 into how many values? 4, no? So 2 to the power of 3. Then plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2, 2 power 2 plus 1 into, hello, are you hearing? 1 into 2 to 2 power 1 plus
Yes, sir.
0 into
0 into 2 power 0.
0. So what is the value? Here 0 we know plus 1 power 2 square is
4.
4.
4
into 1, 4 plus 1
plus
square is
2
plus 2
2
plus 0.
plus
What
0.
is the value we get? 6, isn't it? So we have to write 6. Here next
6.
value 0 into 10 to
Into
2 to the power of
2 power
2 power
3
3. Tell that.
plus
Uh,
1 into 2 power 2
plus. Yeah.
Plus 0 into 2 power 1.
Mm,
plus 1 into 2 power 0.
1 into 2 power 0.
So here 0 plus what is the thing? 4, then plus 0 plus 1. So what is the value?
0 plus 1.
So 5 is the
5.
value, isn't
Five.
it? So that's what I'm also saying this. Okay. So once you completed this means you can write the 0 we can omit it. Okay, because it is 0 no. So what is the value? 6 and 5. So what is the value means 6 5. 6 5, that is 65. Okay, if it is greater than 10 means, I mean 10 means we need to convert into what? Again we have to just represent in the hexadecimal value. 10 means we need to write, suppose we got 6 no, instead of we get the number 10 means what we have to write? A. Have you understand that? A, B, C we need to represent it. Okay, so just write it. Copy in your note.
So how 4 zeros came in first group?
We have to write. For example, we get how many zero? Only one zero is there, no ma? Have you understand? That's what I use the different thing. Only one zero is there. See, I'm writing directly 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0, 0, 1 not 1. Okay. We need to do the grouping by 4. 4 together we need to group because hexadecimal means we need to group by 4. This is the rule. Okay. So first group, that is first set, and second set, second grouping, and third one only 1 0 is there. For time being, we are adding the 3 zeros. So even though 1 0 is there, we can simply omit it. Zeros, anything is 0 only we'll get. That is 0 65. 0 65 or 65, both are same only, na? That's what I'm saying. Have you understand, ma? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Answer is, we got this, we have to omit the first 0, we have to write the 6 and 5. Have you understood this one? Write on it. Once you complete it means stay completed. Then we will. Have you completed this one?
Completed, sir.
Write the steps also, students. Write the step. All the steps you have to write. Because in further in future, if you have any doubt means if you return the step means you can easily understand, or else it will be difficult for you. That's what I'm saying. So this is the way we need to convert from octal to hexadecimal. First we need to convert it to binary, then binary to we need to group by 4, then we need to conversion from binary to hexadecimal conversion as it is normal. Okay, so we have to do that. Finally if we get the value means, suppose we got 6 5, instead of we are getting 6 13 means 6 we can directly write, 13 means we need to represent in the binary hexadecimal value, that is E. Okay, so we need to convert like that. That is the concept. Okay, students, I hope one more with the division, with the fraction, we will do the tomorrow's class. We will do with the fraction. Then we will go with the final conversion, that is hexadecimal. Okay, in octal conversion, octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal, we completed. Let me do with the hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, then octal. So once we completed this process means that's all. Conversion is over. Okay. Then remaining topics we will complete in the second chapter. Okay, students, any doubt in this? Do you have any doubt? If you have means please ask. Hello. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you to all. Thank you. It's time up. That's all.
Thank you, sir.